I'm Jay Rinsky, CEO and co-founder of Little Cinema Digital. We're the world leader in innovative digital secure experiences for entertainment. Our client roster includes giants like Netflix, Disney, Warner Brothers. We've run hundreds of events for them to millions of users for their pre-air secure content experience. Our clients come to us for the creativity, for the white glove service, for the modular design needs, really high-end, well-produced events. And the block has always really been, how do you protect that content? And how do you get past those security teams trying to create major events, launching to 30,000 fans worldwide? But security has really always been at the crux of this. We started working with Verimatrix very early on because that gave us the credibility that we needed to get past the content security teams. Over the years, we cemented and built a partnership to the fact that at this point, we have a unique tool. It's called Backstage. It allows us to design highly complex experiences in seconds, and within a click of a button be able to put in the Verimatrix content security, DRM, you have forensic watermarking. With over 5 million views to date, I'm proud to say we've had 0 leaks, which has put us as the front runner in major digital events. So thank you Verimatrix for the partnership, and we look forward to continue to building and growing together.